Are you dreaming of owning land or a beach home but not sure where to start? Start with Wemark Properties, your trusted real estate partner. My name is Monica Kamanthe, a sales consultant here at Wemark Properties. Today, I take you through Pazuri Residence Phase 2, located in Casuarina, Malindi. We are offering elegant 3-bedroom bungalows and 3-bedroom maisonettes in a secure gated community, just steps from the beach. Enjoy smart home features and stylish modern home finishes. Prices start from 15.5 million to 19.5 million. Prefer land? Explore Ocean Breeze Gardens in Mayungu along Malindi-Watamu Beach Road. Get a 50 by 100 beach plot for just 950,000 shillings, perfect for commercial use, residential use, or a long-term investment. On a tight budget but still dreaming big? Welcome to Azizi Gardens in Malindi. Own a 50 by 100 plot for only 99,000 with a clean title, secure location, and everything you need to begin your journey. And if you're in Nairobi, don't miss our ready-to-build plots in Kantafu Mala along Kangundo Road, going for 900,000 cash prize. All our projects comes with free title deeds, water and electricity on site, and well-maintained access roads. Visit us in Malindi at Palm Plaza along Old Coach Road, just next to My Way Restaurant, or in Nairobi at Alice Center 4th floor along Mudidi Road, Westlands. Or you can go to www.wemark.co.ke to speak to one of our agents.